This is Principal Upinder speaking. My YouTube channel is Principal Upinder. Today my topic just now is self-reliance. During these difficult times, I have learned the virtue of doing household tasks. I realized how much I owe to my mother. When I was doing my MA English, I would come home from the library and my mother would prepare tea and later cook food for dinner. She would finish her day by washing utensils. Today I realize how tough and tiring those chores are. I have started to write this today after cleaning 2 rooms and after cleaning the utensils, as I live all alone. Reading books after having finished these tasks becomes more enjoyable. There is a full day to read some book. I get about 4 newspapers and I remain updated with the current happenings. People managing schools and colleges should introduce a new optional subject for boys entitled household work. I repeat, people managing schools and colleges should introduce a new optional subject for boys entitled household work. Boys should be given training in upkeep of home, cleanliness, kneading floor, cooking, cleaning utensils, washing clothes, cleaning toilets and bathrooms, watering plants, buying vegetables and decorating the house. I read in a newspaper today that some residents are fed up of eating cooked rice and chapatis every day. Paradoxically, I am happy that most of these unusual day I've been cooking rice and eating prontas and savoring pulses. I feel blessed that ingredients for these have been made available from nearby shops. Vegetables are available at our doorsteps. The importance of self-help in lives of the youngsters needs no emphasis. My focus is both on boys and men in particular. After getting a job or even while studying, a young boy may have to live alone or share a room. Such a person should be conversant with the cleaning of room, keeping things properly, cooking, washing clothes and cleaning utensils. I have been told that in other countries having domestic help is very expensive. So many youngsters are self-reliant even though they are having good jobs or pursuing higher academic careers. But it is disheartening to observe that boys from even ordinary middle class in India are a pampered lot. The doting parents are giving no responsibility of household work to them. Add to this the hobby of being on mobile, playing video games or posting on social media has become another big distraction. Now, this new situation has resulted in such boys being in difficult predicament. Many of those who are staying in rooms doing a job or studying in a college got in a kind of fix. They found it difficult to clean rooms or cook. Even they fell short of money. But people like me had been trained to live in difficult circumstances. I picked up the broom and have been cleaning a 7-room house. Same way I took to cooking on induction as it is safe. I knew no one would come to my rescue because of COVID-19. Immediately if something happens with me, any other sickness overtakes. So it is not safe to allow domestic help for some time. Even otherwise they live in different area and it is difficult for them to come out in these days. I use my time teaching idioms and grammar rules online. Coming back to youth, I being a blogger met many young boys who were living in rented rooms. I found that those who had been pampered were totally confused and living in untidy way. But those boys whose parents had taught them to do household work, they adjusted to the new situation. Same holds true for even senior citizens. Some of them had to depend for outside help to get food. They were helped by welfare departments and by NGOs. That is a good job they did. But I prefer to cook on my own and I spent all these days. Even now, I depend upon myself. I do my own cooking, cleaning my own house, and then doing my online teaching work. I have learned to be self-reliant. I hope my friends like my articles. Principal Bhupinder, video blog.